From this rich tapestry of voices, 4 key human rights pledges emerged, which we firmly commit to implementing. 1, a national human rights policy and action plan. We pledge to develop a comprehensive national human rights policy and action plan dedicated to enhancing the realization and enjoyment of rights and fundamental freedoms for all Kenyans. 2, transitioning to clean energy. Recognizing our global responsibility, we pledge to achieve a complete transition to clean energy sources by 2030, contributing significantly to climate change mitigation efforts and sustainable development. 3rd, criminalizing enforced disappearances. We pledge to enact comprehensive domestic legislation that explicitly criminalizes enforced disappearances and establishes robust mechanisms for prevention, investigation, prosecution, and victim support. And finally, promoting social protection. We pledge to promote comprehensive social protection by fostering gender equality and safeguarding the rights of children, people living with disabilities, elderly persons, and all marginalized groups.